Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to keep your finances secure. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to lock your Bank of America credit card right from their mobile app. With cyber threats on the rise in 2025, this feature is a game changer for protecting your card from unauthorized use. Whether you've misplaced your wallet or just want an extra layer of security, this quick guide will have you covered in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a verification code. Go ahead and enter that for added security. Now, once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards section. It's usually front and center. Tap on it to view your linked accounts. Next, select the specific credit card you want to lock. This will bring up the card details page. On the card details page, scroll down or look for a security icon. It's often represented by a lock or shield symbol. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to lock card or freeze card. Go ahead and select it. The app might ask for a confirmation, so read the prompt carefully. It'll explain that locking the card will prevent any transactions until you unlock it. Hit confirm, and boom, your card is now locked. It's that simple. Just remember, this is a temporary measure, so when you're ready to use your card again, you can follow the same steps and select Unlock from the same menu. Locking your card is a smart way to stay protected without closing your account, and it's available 24/7 through the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.